1, 2, 3. Throw your yellow.
That's so satisfying. Oh my god, there's something here.
Here, get a chair right there. Hey guys, welcome to the Gymtastic Cousins. And today we are going to be making 1 gallon of slime. Well, we have 1 gallon of glue.
And this is going to be turning into fluffy slime.
So hopefully we have a big enough bowl. I don't think we do. Well, we can try it.
So let's get started.
This will be your overview of how we can do it. We made a very unstable tower of things. Okay, so the first ingredient is the glue. It's gonna overflow.
A shell.
Yay! It's so amazing. Oh my god, it's heavy. We should speed this up. We will.
So the females are a little smaller than the males.
We'll speed this up for you now. What?
Attack.
This is going to be so hard to start.
Yeah. Okay, so let's start this one and we'll leave this one for later. You can start with this one.
Okay, get some water.
Okay. Well, the bowl we had was too small, so we moved it to a big bowl.
Yeah.
We're just gonna stir it up a little to make it all good. The next ingredient we need
Is water.
is
Just normal water.
water and yeah, that stuff. So we're gonna add in some water. I'm gonna add in the whole thing.
Yeah, that's
So I have this 1/3 cup. Whatever.
looks good.
Okay, here, I'll hold this.
I think you.
So now we're putting in the lotion and stuff. So we have this Bath and Body Works lotion.
Which you might think it's a waste of money, but it's not.
Yeah, well, I never use it, so I'm just gonna open it up so you can. Now, yeah. So let's not put too much in. Let's make it fluffy. And now, and it expands so much. Ready? Look at this. Okay. Well, we're not adding too much shaving cream because we don't want to make it not stretchy, but we want it fluffy. So,
We can always add more.
yeah. I like the smell of this, and I never use it.
That's good.
Color. So we're gonna try and do it blue, and if it doesn't get that much color, we have 2 blue. If it doesn't get that much color, because this is just little paint bottles. Is it open? Probably not. We'll get scissors. Oops. Oh wait, they came out of that. It's you drop?
Well, I was trying to do something like to grab it, and then you squirted my finger, so I stuck my finger in to get it out. Then I just stuck my finger in the glue.
Okay, guys, look how beautiful that is. It's so pretty.
Coons are unique, funny, royals.
There we go.
This is definitely an color.
Want me to choose them? Yeah. Are we keeping it blue or
Blue.
Okay, guys, so now we're adding in this. This isn't actually contact solution. This is the borax stuff that you saw. This and water mixed together, and we left it overnight so it would fully dissolve, and it's in this container. So I'm just gonna start squeezing some in. We can add that in after.
You add it in like when it's slime, like when it's already made.
Okay, here.
This is gonna be the hard part, and this is when it's gonna get like super heavy.
So this is the slime. Oh, really?
And it works all 7 of those, so I know.
I'm gonna start pouring it.
It's kind of like,
So let's
I
just
don't know.
pour
I
a
mean,
little
you
bit
can't be involved in everything, but it just.
the edge. So we got it all good.
It's like really good. And
So this is how big it is compared to Tori. Not that big, but it's huge compared to the other one. So we're gonna put it on the table and show you. Just straight up perfume. Ooh, I have glue
so
on me.
now we're gonna add this, which is shaving cream
Just
water,
get some on your hands.
which you just get on your hands, and it makes like the slime like softer.
Ooh, it's stretching. Yay!
Whoa, there was a bubble.
Ooh, we gotta do the bubble test. Ooh, it failed.
Well, we just made it.
I know. You gotta mix it down. Okay. Yay! Ready? Now I try. Okay, get a little jump down.
Careful, you're gonna hit your head on the ceiling.
That was amazing. Okay, your turn. On the
Got
ceiling.
some slime on the floor.
Yay! Oh my goodness, Tori. Oh my god, it's like not even seeing. There's our slime, guys.
And such.
Slime. Ouch. Hey guys, so we are done making slime, and this is what it looks like.
You get a better view.
Yeah. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This was week 2?
3.
2 or 3. I don't know. Go check the link, the stuff down below, and I'll write what week it was. I don't know what week it was.
So, peace out, Girl Scout.
Bye.
Look at this.